The Northeastern Hill University Students' Union, or Nehusu, has reaffirmed the students' unwavering stance, criticizing the university's Vice-Chancellor P.S. Shukla's reported attempts to rejoin office remotely. Nehusu General Secretary Toniho Karsati described the VC's reported attempts as tactics that undermine the welfare of the university. He also expressed disappointment over the Ministry of Education's lack of action. Nehusu had recently sent a letter to Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, urging the ministry to disclose the committee's findings on Nehu's issues, seeking prompt action.
To give you the brief facts of university, since his removal, or since he himself has gone for this leave, our whole university was in a very peaceful state of mind. Even now also, our university is functioning normally. The exams are going on. However, with this kind of tactics, cheap tactics, so to say, if I may be precise, that Professor P.S. Shukla is using, it's not only hampering the students, it is also hampering the overall administration of our university. We have been requesting every now and then, with a very humble request to the state government as well as to the ministry, to take some proactive steps.